Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. For those who all don't know me, my name is Nikhil and I'm a YouTuber. I'm a beauty YouTuber, as you can see the glam on. And I have been shooting since a while, since I was on a vacation, not well vacation. And today this video is going to be very short and very simple. Oh my god, ignore this guys. That's my life, messy, sexy, and whatsoever. Let's not go there. So today's video is not going to be anything doing about makeup and all that jazz. I'm not going to do all that. It's been a while that I've not shot videos, and I wanted to come up with some small videos, some fun informative videos for you all. And if you're interested in knowing what the video is gone about, please check. And I'm sure you must be knowing by now because the title says it all. And let's get into the video. Yes, back. So, top 5, huh? Very difficult to be honest. It's my 6 years of experience working with MAC, and hence I've come up with just 5 lipsticks that you need to have for sure. By the way, I have like 50, more than 50 or 100 lipsticks right now with me from MAC, NARS, Bobbi Brown, Smashbox, Chanel. I have everything with me. But it's just that I'm showing you from top 5 because that's the one well-known brand for buying lipsticks, and everyone wants to know what lipsticks I usually wear. I do inform you guys in my videos though, but in this video I'm going to specifically show you what that lipstick is. Let's get it done. So the first lipstick is the regular lipsticks, guys. Possibly I am gonna show you the retro matte lipsticks also, but I'm not going to show you that because that's not everyone's cup of tea, because not everyone likes so much matte lipstick. So the first one is taupe. I'm starting with a random number. Taupe is a nice brownish color, and this is how it's gonna look like. And here is the swatch. It's super pigmented, super long lasting. It's a matte finish. It's like a regular matte, so even the regular mattes of MAC also still works. It's not going to just go off. It still lasts you longer, and this works very well from like a fairest complexion to medium dark, not the darkest. I'm not being very racist, but technically if you talk about it, that's the first color. It's like a nice taupey brown color, and I personally love it a lot. When I wear like a bright smoky eye, like a black smoky eye, I really prefer wearing this with that. Yeah, so taupe is the first. Let's get on the second one. Ooh, guess the color. Guess the color. It's flat out fabulous. I'm going with the regular. I'm just saying I'm going with odd numbers or odd names, random names, whatever it is. So flat out fabulous is, again, it's retro matte. Taupe was matte, this is retro matte, and this, if you see, it's like a fuchsia, like a deep, like a hint of purple in it, and this works very well for people who are like 2-3 tones darker than me, and for people who are like my shade, it works fabulous. When I say fabulous, it does look very nice. And if you want to see like how these lipsticks actually look on me, I could show you that also, but honestly the best way I can show you is on my hand. My hand is quite brighter, but definitely it works very well for people who are on the weightish to a lighter side, definitely. So next up is Meher. Meher is one of the popular colors. I'm sure I don't even need to tell you about. Sorry, I've broke my lipstick, but I still have it because I'm not going to waste it. Careful about the nails, very careful. And that's how the color looks. If you guys can see it, I'm so sorry because of these nails. No, I mean, I'm like, here. A beautiful onion pink, or you can say a perfect pink that goes with almost all the shades. I mean, from light, medium to medium dark. Again, if you mix a sword lip pencil, just a quick tip, if you mix a sword lip pencil or any lip pencil which is slightly darker to this, you can, a person who's a little more on the warmer side also can wear it, but ideally this works very well. And by the way, just a backstory, Mickey Contractor, who was the Doma of MAC, director of makeup artistry of MAC, he created this color, and one of the best colors, I must say, and one of the most top sellers. Let's move on to the next. Next up is my personal favorite. I'm like I'm wearing it since 5 years and I love it, to be honest. There is nothing better than this. Of course, there is one more color that I've found which is much similar and much better with the texture, and I'm just going to show you this for now. And that is I'm going to take this a few more times because it's a powder matte lipstick and this takes time to, you know, show up. If you want to see closer look, Meher Taupe Flat Out Meher Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo is a perfect blue undertone lipstick. Yes, it has a blue undertone, guys. Don't get me wrong, it does not look blue on the lips. If you want to see how it looks, you can check out my previous videos. I'm wearing Ruby Woo in hell lot of videos and I love wearing that lipstick because it's my top favorite color. It's on the matter side, matter than Taupe and Meher. So these two are same textures and these two are same. So Meher and Taupe work same, Flat Out and Ruby Woo are same. And the fifth color is with me right here, and that is also one of the best colors. Guys, choosing 5 lipsticks out of 50 is very difficult. So when I'm saying these colors work with everybody, they do. Completely a blast of pink. Trust me, I love this color on me, on anyone I've sold this color to. I have sold this to more than 500 people till date. And every time I've given this as a gift or I've given it as anything, definitely they have worked amazingly on everyone. So these were the 5 lipsticks. Let me reiterate the names once again. So this is All Fired Up, this is Taupe, this is Flat Out, this is Meher, and this is Ruby Woo. These are the top 5 lipsticks that need to have from MAC for sure. Works with everyone, any complexion. Just buy 2 lip liners if you want to invest in. One is the Spice that I'm wearing today underneath my lipstick, and if you guys want to know what lipstick is this is Get It On from NARS. I can show you this as well. Lip pigment from NARS. Here is the color. Yep, that's the color. Sorry, this is very random out of the blue that I showed you this. And also I'm going to show you how I take these off with just one wipe. So these are my Cleano wipes. These are my Cleano wipes. If you guys can see it. These are the sanitizing wipes. Usually I used to use these ones. These are from MAC, by the way. These are worth rupees 3,300 and this is worth rupees what? 200? Are you serious? And they have a beautiful packaging. You're taking this off. I'm opening it for the first time. By the way, I used the other ones from them and this is not the one that I've used, to be really honest with you guys. And I am struggling very badly with my nails and I am going to try. Oh shit, so perfectly got it on my hands right here. Smells amazing. I swear on my god, it smells amazing. Trust me when I say it smells amazing, it does. And it's a very nice long wipe compared to the regular ones. Like slightly sheer, but I really like it the way it smells. And let's try. This is how you remove your lipstick. You don't like do this. You do try to like warm it a little bit. Pretty much everything. Let's try this. I'm like, by the way, these guys, the stain of the lipstick or the residue does not go easily, and if it's going with this, there is something, honey. There is. I mean, look at this. One wipe and my 5 lipsticks are off. Of course, you have to use a little bit of pressure. Like, it's not a magic. I mean, removing this takes me forever. So this is nothing. You know, crystal clear Hawaiian water. My hands are clean and beautiful AF whatsoever. Sorry. So this was my final video and these were the 5 lipsticks, and if you want to see how it looks on me, then please let me know. I will create a short video on that as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and before I leave, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section below what are you looking next from me. I shall do that next time. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram as well. Link I'll leave it somewhere over here. So until next time, bye babies. Bye.